Okay, so what's new?
Okay, so what's new?
I tried Google AdWords. 7 clicks, 560 impressions, and it costs almost 20 euros. To do the math, if out of 10 people, 1 buys a chatbot, that's the good ratio. If out of 20 people buy a chatbot, I'm almost not breaking even. So maybe Google AdWords is not the right way. The ad click-through rate is good though. 7 divided by 561. This is the ad up here. 1.5% click-through rate. So I made a good ad, but does this work? I don't really know. I dialed down the frequency, so I only pay 3 euros per day. Let's see. Here's the fiery gig. Price went up a little. It's fluctuating. What else can we do? What else have we done? Oh, there's a new chatbot. Tommy Boy, it's for Discord. Tom's tutorials. I'll link in the description. And this is my web chatbot kit. These are all the things Tommy can do. Tom has done a good job here, filling this with life. So this was a free bot. I give bots away when I like people. Be flexible, right? Back to the real AI. Not that Tommy Boy is not real AI. I want to make a central command module. Whenever I say something which appears up here, for example, like this, hello robot.
Hello, robot.
Then I wanted not only to repeat what I just said, but make theories about what is probably happening. This is the empty window where the theories will go. So basically, I think there are three kinds of inputs that come in. This is the empty central command module. If somebody says something, it's a direct command. I have commands like open Twitch chat.
Open Twitch chat.
So here's the Twitch chat. So this is one possibility of interpreting a user input. Look at module voice commands. This is where all these commands are listed. Voice commands.
Voice commands.
Here, I have a few already. And the second case is an information question, right? If somebody says webcam, so maybe I say webcam because I have a question about webcams, not to open this window here. And the third thing is line is part of an ongoing dialogue. Maybe we're talking about things and the bot asks me a question even, and I answer with webcam. Then this is also not about this window, but it's about being in the dialogue. So the central command module has to find out which of these theories is the best one for any line of input. For example, here, I mean, if there is no ongoing dialogue, skip. If there was just silence and no discussion was left open, we can ignore this part. This could always be possible, pretty much. I mean, direct commands, we have something like start broadcast software, which starts OBS, and this is probably always a command. But still, this is a theory, and this below is also a theory. And yeah, we'll need some patterns and some additional rules to make these theories. And then we can have this very powerful module here. It takes anything anyone says into a microphone connected to a computer and finds out what the person might want, even in the face of misrecognized things. so on and so forth. Also, I want a thumb detection. Most importantly, this one first. I have dabbled in image recognition, and I think I'm able to do this probably. Depends on the background. So, you know, I do something, the computer does something, and then I make this, and it can store that it did something good.